Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about the topic that is cities creation. Basically, in this, basically, we are talking about the 20% error. Basically, that is education error, and that basically error is going to create a lot of big issue. Basically, and somebody is solving also. Basically, in this, basically, we are discussing about the Hindu human souls. So, one of the person told that you should know basically what actually Hindus are. Basically, right? Then only you can create the Hindu human souls, right? Basically. For that, basically, you should know the entire Gita energy. You should have the Bhagavad Gita energy in your company, basically, like Reliance. In Reliance, basically, Bhagavad Gita energies are there. In IPCL, the Bhagavad Gita energies are there. In AIMS Oxygen, the Bhagavad Gita energies are there. In ONGC, basically, the Bhagavad Gita energies are there. Like this, basically, the many Hindus books are basically there. So this is also one of the part of the Hindus. Hindus culture basically are there. What actually Hindu thinks, up to what level Hindu thinks. This basically are there. Then basically Hindu country basically sorry Hindu groups are connected with which countries basically that you have to design, because whenever they are going to move in future basically it might possible that basically they will move to that country, then basically they have to spread the Hindu culture, that you have to design. Like this basically lots of things are there basically, yeah. If you are going to into the human souls basically, if you are creating the your own nuclear power plant, if you are creating the own energy plant, if you are creating the own power plant, then basically you have to think lots of things basically. It's not so easy basically. One of the person told that it's not so easy basically to create one. So Reliance basically lots of people says that basically Reliance and ONGC they are paise chhap rahe, means they are printing just the money basically. Then basically one of the person told they are, yeah, see the risk factor also basically, up to what level they are doing the risk basically. If any of the Hindu one human souls will create bad basically, then it is going to impact to the entire Hindu human souls and entire Hindu human data in the universe basically, because that human souls is going to generate a child, and then basically it is going to create to planet also basically. Then they told that basically yes, yeah, basically you are correct. Or by chance basically any Hindu human souls basically created bad basically. Bad means basically something basically happened and he basically died. This type of thing basically happened. Then basically you will be responsible basically. Then you have to tell the yes, yeah, basically. So like this basically things basically. So Hindu god basically, who are Hindu god, that each and everything basically you have to design in that. For example, in future basically any Hindu god basically energy basically are going to connect to that particular human source, then basically they should get the proper energy basically. He should basically get the proper energy basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So like this basically things are basically there. So one of the person told that like this basically things are also basically there. So it's very dangerous to create the human souls. That also you can say. So like this Hindu human souls, Muslim, Christian, like this religion basically human souls basically are created. That is basically 100% sure basically, because like this only basically you can create the human souls. Few people say that basically we create mixed human souls, but that basically contains lots of error also basically. That contains basically lots of error. Few people says that basically. Few people says that basically we easily can manage the mix of human souls also basically. Like this basically things are basically there. So one of the person told that basically, do we have the data of the entire religion wise human souls? That one of the person told that one of the software company, that is the nuclear power company connected software company, they told that basically yes basically we have. So one of the person told that what is this nuclear power company connected software company? Then he told that each and every software companies are connected with set of nuclear power company. For example, Reliance Group basically, Reliance is IPCL. They are basically create. They basically has created lots of big company basically. So this all big companies are connected with Reliance. Few people says that basically ONGC group. ONG groups are basically connected with very big companies, software companies basically. Then basically IPCL. Then basically the AIMS Oxygen. So like this basically each and every companies basically are connected with each other basically. So one of the person told that basically like this basically each and every companies are connected with each other. So like this basically you can see that basically this software companies are connected with this nuclear power plant basically. So they are basically going to design the each and every buildings, and they will be responsible for that particular software creation basically. And if anything basically is happening to that particular person basically, because they are basically connected with this software company basically. So lots of people says that basically they are printing the money, but risk factor also basically you see basically. See the risk factor also basically. What are the things going to happen? See the risk factor also. So one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically risk factor basically is lots of basically. Lots of people say that basically we are earning money in bulk basically, but see the risk factor. So that type of things basically are also basically there. So like this, one of the person told that it's so like this basically you want to say that basically the business development of the software industry basically are ongoing basically. Then basically you can say that's 100% correct. So business development officer basically know each and everything basically that this project is basically for text box. This project is basically for combo box. Text box combo box equal to thousand cities basically. So the business development officer knows basically that text box equal to, because they are into the business development of the software, and business development officer basically means software company owner basically. Software company owner basically, or basically you can say the third parties basically, that are basically IITs and IIMs and the big MBA institute basically. They basically have the big data basically. So like this basically things are also basically connected. Like this also basically things are basically connected. Like this also basically things are also basically connected. So you can just imagine basically. You can just imagine basically. The few people says that basically yeah, it's very difficult here basically. We are thinking that basically the text box equal to thousand cities, but it's very dangerous basically. So one of the person told that here we need to do experiment here basically, otherwise basically in future basically anything big will happen in universe basically, and universe group basically will ask the question basically. That time basically if we can't give the answer, then basically they will finish the entire text box only basically. Few people says that text box exist, that was actually was the reason basically. So one of the person told that yes, here basically we have done the experiment in energy only basically. When we created the text box equal to thousand city energy, that time only basically we have created each and every experiment basically. Each and every experiment is basically this word was removed, this word basically was removed, this word was removed from the text box. Then basically we merged this text box into combo box data. Like this basically we have checked each and every combination basically. Then only basically we have created this combo box equal to thousand cities, text box equal to thousand cities. Each and everything basically we had done here basically. Then he told that yes here basically. Like this basically we have created the entire creation basically. Then also few people told that basically that if we have created everything basically, then also creation basically is happened. So then also basically we need to check few things basically, that this basically 10 buildings, 10 buildings, 30 buildings, 40 buildings are basically standing, that basically is created from which all words basically. So then he told that yes sir basically you are correct, you are basically correct. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the text box equal to thousand cities, and that thousand cities created from which all words basically. And same way combo box, radio button, check boxes are also created from the created from the set of cities, and the set of cities basically are, you can say it's a set of words basically. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.